Hi guys. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we got this Nerf gun. Oh my god, it's a Nerf gun. Look at it. So nice. I've always wanted a Nerf gun before. So yeah, finally got it. For my 9th birthday, of course. Yay. Here we got the Nerf gun. We got the bullets. Here we got the cool Nerf gun. Here we go, the other Nerf guns that you can collect. That's tiny. So here's the front of the box. Here's the side of the box. Here's the other side. Oh my god, I can't see it. Here's the other side. And here's the back. Back's pretty cool. Shows you all the other things. So yeah, this is a little 20. So yeah, you got the Nerf gun right here. Let's open it. Yeah, guys. Anytime you're opening anything, be careful with scissors, okay? Just letting you know. Be careful. So let's open. Straight. Oh, okay. Oh, now I know. Okay, guys. I just figured out Nerf is Nerf is so sneaky. There we go. That was the only problem. So yeah, I'm just gonna scissors. Move this over here. Here we got the Nerf gun. So cool. How awesome that is. So yeah, we need to take out this. So I'm gonna have to read it back. Oh yeah, we still need the Nerf bullets. So it doesn't say, but still. So yeah, I just figured it out. Just need to press this button right here. Like, there we go. So here we got this. I think this is how you reload. And what? There's oil in here. But still, you just need to figure a way how to take out this. It's so stupid. But still, we just need to take out the Nerf bullets. Harder than I think. I don't know. So let's see. Take a look. Oh, I think we need to do that. I don't even know what I'm doing. Put a bit. Oh, there we go. Took out the bullets. So yeah, here's another bullet. And here's a regular one. So yeah, just take them all out. Let's get them all the bullets. Put them here. They kind of feel like hot dogs, but if they kind of feel like hot dogs, but if they're a little bit smaller. But I know. There's so many Nerf bullets. So crazy. So yeah, and this took out this. So all I just need to do is figure out how to put the bullets inside. So maybe I could do it. So yeah, we have the manual right here for the Nerf gun. So let's just take a look. Yes, I have to use. Yes, I do have to use this. So yeah, we're gonna have to put in the bullets like this. Just forget all this. We don't need that. We just need to put in 10 of these. So no problem. Already started. So I just need to count how many bullets we put. So let's put 1, 2. I'm not sure. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, got 10. So yeah, we got 10 bullets. So we're just gonna have to figure out a way how to put them. Okay, I think we have to put them in here now. So we're just gonna do this. So yes, we got this. So then now let's try. So let's try to shoot the Godzillas. So basically, okay, we just gotta go. What? It's not working. Okay, wait. Oh, shoot, that works. That actually works. So where did the bullet go? Okay, went there. Let's shoot Godzilla. There we go. Just gotta, it's like I'm going hunting. So yeah, let's try this again. It's so cool, I love it. It's like I'm going hunting. Ah, take that! Want to shoot? Want to get shoot? Okay. Let's shoot the balloon. Let's see what happens. So, fire! Nothing. That was actually kind of fun. Well, let's just do a test. Let's do a test. Oh no, it's Godzilla! Don't gotta worry. Got a gun. Oh no! Where'd my bullet go? Take this, Godzilla! Yeah! Boom! Yeah! This is so fun. I like it. Oh yeah, I think I have one last bullet. So we're gonna hit the camera. I don't have really good aim. Let's just see. And oh wait. There we go. I missed. I shot it. What more, hey, buddy? Man, you dodged it! So yeah guys, I hope you had a fun day watching this video. So yeah, wait. And also, I have a gaming channel. Like and subscribe to my gaming channel. If you don't, then I'm going to shoot you with this Nerf gun. Okay? Bye-bye. And also like and subscribe to my channel. Bye. This can't be true.